Okay, I want to just show the proof of our tax exemption. This was our tax bill for 2024, so you can see it's a little over $6,000, which is ridiculous. When we got the property tax exemption letter, they sent us a refund, and you can see, what is it, $5,600. So it was not the full, because there are processing fees and county fees that are not exempt. We'll have to go fight that if we want that. But here is our new tax bill, just so you can see, for 2025, $325. So a huge difference. This makes all the difference in the world.
It does.
It's, God stepped in and he blessed us with this, and we just we're blessed, period. So
Yes. So this is a sanctuary for us and our family. We have a little one. My wife is here as well. It's a great opportunity for all families out there, and I highly recommend and encourage everybody to do this work.